Angels are watching over us, with the saints that have gone on before us, and they join in a heavenly chorus, singing, He is alive, He is alive, He is alive. Death is defeated, sin has retreated from the power of the song, and He is alive. The enemy's faded, the battle still rages, but the war has been won. The stars in the heavens rejoice, with the sun and the moon and with all